Hello guys, welcome back to the series Introduction to Python. In this video, we will discuss about the membership operators in detail. So, what is a membership operator and when to use them? Membership operators are used to check the membership of the variable. In other words, it's used to check whether a value or a variable is present inside another sequence. The output of the membership operator are either true or false. So, the membership operator are combined with if statements. So based on the output from the membership operator, we will come into conclusion whether to run our if block or skip our if block. In Python, we have two important membership operators which are in and not in. Now we will look at an example to have a better understanding of how this operator works. First, we'll start with an in operator. So in this example, we have two variables called m1 and m2. An integer value of 5 is assigned to the variable m1 and a list which is having four different objects 5, 6, 7 and 8 is assigned to m2. For the in operator to return an output as true, we need to have the value or a variable to be present inside another value or a variable. In our case, the variable m1 is present in the sequence m2. The integer value 5 is present in the sequence, the list which is assigned to m2. So if we run this code, the Python interpreter will display an output as true because m1 is present inside the sequence of m2. Let's run the program and check this out. And yes, the expected result true has been displayed. Let's look at another example. In this example, we have a two variable called m3 and m4 and two variable is having a list. So the variable m3 is holding a list which is having value of 5 and 6, where m4 which is holding a value of 5, 7, 8, 9. So if we run this program, the Python interpreter will display an output as false because m3 is not part of the sequence of m4. So m4 is not having the value 5 and 6 inside them. So when we run this program, the Python interpreter will display an output as false. Let's run the program and check this out. And yes, it is displayed as false. And the next example is not an operator. For the not an operator to return an output as true, the value or a variable should not be present inside a sequence of another value or a variable. So it's a kind of an inverse of in operator. Let's take the example that we used in an in operator and check how it behaves for a not in function. So in this example, we have a variable m1 with a value of 5 and variable m2 which is holding a list of 5, 6, 7, 8. So we are checking whether m1 is not part of the sequence m2. In this example, it turns out to be false because m1, the integer value 5, is a part of the sequence m2. If we run this program, the Python interpreter will display an output as false. Let's run the program and check this out. And yes, it's displayed as false. We'll look at another example, which we used for the in operators. So in this example, we have two variable M3 and M4 just having a list of value 5 and 6, and M4 is having a value of 5, 7, 8, and 9. So in this line of code, we are checking whether M3 is not a part of the sequence M4. In our example, it turns out to be true because M3 holding two objects 5 and 6 which are not part of the sequence of M4. So if we run this program, the Python interpreter will display an output as true. Let's run this program and check this out. And yes, it is displayed as true. I believe you guys understood how the membership operator works and when to use them. So the membership operator are used to validate a variable is present inside another sequence or not. Like I said before, the membership operators are predominantly used with if statements. So based upon the output from the membership operators, we can come into conclusion whether to execute our if block and or the skip our if blocks and so on. This is all about the membership operators. See you guys in the next video.